Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to reset your FPL team before the deadline. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in fantasy.premierleague.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Fantasy Premier League. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to reset your FPL team before the deadline, what you have to do is click on the transfers option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the transfers interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see the deadline over here. Before this deadline, you'll be able to make unlimited transfers. You'll be able to see the players over here. At top left of each players, you'll be able to find the cross icon. So if you want to remove any player, what you have to do is simply click on this cross icon. Now once you do that, you can see over here that player will be removed. Now instead of that player, you can replace it with another player. At left, you'll be able to see the players list over here. Simply click on the player that you want to replace them with. Now after you do that, the player will be replaced. You can simply follow the same process for all the players. If you want to replace the team completely, you'll have to remove all the players and add another player. So like this, you'll be able to reset it. Once you're done replacing the players, simply click on this option, make transfers. Now you'll have to confirm the transfer. You'll be able to see the cost breakdown over here. Simply click on this option, confirm. Now once you do that, you can see over here your player will be replaced. So like this, you'll be able to reset your team. So that is how you reset your FPL team before deadline. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.